Hi everybody. Well, I spent Labor Day weekend painting some more pictures since I was in the mood to do it, and I did this picture of an American countryside landscape, and my inspiration for doing this was all the scenery that I saw when I got the chance to ride or drive across the country with my family. The first time I was probably about 5 years old. I think I just was about to turn 5 the first time we went, and the second time was when I was about 48 years old. I drove across the country with my son, and I used to really look at the horizon, look at trees and everything, and I always was fascinated with sepia tone pictures, the old photographs that barely had any color. You know, they looked two-tone, you know, like brown and the rest that you see in the background. And I was always trying to find a picture, a photograph or a painting that I liked of scenery like that, and either they were in beautiful old frames and I wasn't able to afford it, or I saw them online and I just wasn't in the right place in the right time for an auction and missed it. So I finally decided to do it myself again, and so I painted this picture. This is just two colors. It's just peach and burnt umber in the acrylic folk art colors, or apple barrel colors. And so, you know, very simple to do. Just paint the background. You know, I used horizontal strokes to look like the sky and ground, and then just used a paintbrush and dotted on the trees, and then filled in with some shrubs. So this is a very easy painting to do. I may do another one in an even lighter tone. This was the tone that I wanted for the picture that I wanted to look like the sepia tone photograph, but I may do a lighter one too, just for fun, to see how it comes out. So this is my picture, and I'm going to put on a little bit of music for you to enjoy. Oh, I meant to say this is an impressionistic picture, which means that up close you can see dots, but the further away you get from the picture, the more realistic it'll look, because that's just the nature of that kind of painting.